What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at all of my trades on the Nasdaq 100 today. And honestly, today I literally picked the worst time to enter a trade today. Today was CPI, and I didn't even remember that today we were going to have the CPI release at about 8:30. I think that's when it was released, and the moment that came out, that's what just caused a huge spike in the market. And then I was playing it to the downside. You can see I entered at 8:29, 35 seconds. So 25 seconds from that would have been 8:30. And anytime there's a huge news release, there's going to be a lot of volatility, a lot of volume coming into the market. So you can see this trade, so interesting with this trade, I actually had set my stop loss. I was quick enough to set my stop loss. And because of how fast the market moved up, it broke through the stop loss and was filled at such a high price that instead of losing just $10, I lost $19.50. But the other one, I didn't set the stop loss, and that one ran up to a loss of $57.30. So I'll be showing you these right now. So the first trade, we're on a 15-minute candle on the Nasdaq. The first trade I'm entering here on the 8:15 candle. So let's actually go to 8:15 on Thursday. See where that was. I think this one. So let's actually bring this a little closer. Zoom it in. So I entered on 8:15 to the sell side, right? 15,226.3. And then I got stopped out next candle as soon as the wick came in. Put this back. Yeah, got stopped out this candle at 15,245.8. 15,245.8 for a total of 1950. So I had put my stop loss right before the zone, thinking that if the market was going to continue down, it wouldn't try and test the zone again. It tested the zone, but it actually broke through where I had my stop loss because of how fast the market moved up. So the next trade I actually entered on the same candle, but actually at 15,227.8. And then I got stopped out on the 8:30 at 15,285.1 for a total loss of 57. So you see that's the higher point of the chart. Like the market literally broke through the zone, cleared up right up to where I had my stop loss, tapped me, and then came right back down. So that was just a very nasty move. That kind of discouraged me from trading today. And then after that, I entered a trade on the 8:30. So on the 8:30 now, I entered another trade, and I'm like, all right, maybe I'm able to take this back to the downside. So I entered here at 15,235.1. And then I got stopped out here at 9 o'clock. So let's go to 9 o'clock here. 9 o'clock was the higher point of the zone at 15,276.1 for a total loss of 41. So you can see this is the higher point of the zone. So it's actually starting to climb up from where I entered originally. So I started to take more sell side trades, but market was still grinding up. The sell, you can see it hit the sell here, but I wasn't able to capitalize on this, and I'll show you why. So this next one, I entered at 15,238.5. So I entered both of these trades around the same time, 8.5, and I actually got stopped out at the same place at 15,276.1. And then the next one, I entered to the buy side actually at 10 o'clock. So I entered expecting it to go up. It did go up for a little bit, but that movement did not continue. So I entered this one at 10 o'clock at 15354.3. And then I got stopped out here on the 10:15 at 15333. So I had like a $20 stop loss for this trade. So very mechanical. I'm just trying to measure risk, even if it doesn't look like that's a good point to put my stop loss. I'm probably putting it there just to keep the risk the same and to not change the strategy much. So even this last one, this was a nice trade, but just because the risk was too tight, the same way it should have been on all of the other trades, this is why I got hit out on this trade very quickly. So I entered this one at 15332.6. And then I actually got stopped out on the same candle around $10 different. I actually lost 9.7 at 15342.3. So this is where I got stopped out around a $10 difference in the market. So that's basically my risk. So actually looking at this trade, it would have been better to actually put my risk above this zone if you're taking a sell side trade, and then aim for 2 times that risk. So actually this was actually a good time to look into this. Wow. But let's look forward to tomorrow's trades. It's actually looking like the market is going to start breaking to the downside, because you can see basically bearish here. You have a new low. It's kind of playing with this level. It made like a newer low here. Came back here. If this is the new high and it made a lower low, you basically have a lower high here. Like, we're not breaking up past this level. So, if we start to come down from here, the market is going to start really trending lower. And that's going to take everything down with it. So, including things like Tesla, PayPal, all of them, everybody might just be starting to trend a bit lower for now. Let's see how long this lasts. Can be a while. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. On the daily, the market looks like it's going to go lower. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.